For 3 by 3, you want to write negative 1, 3, 1 here. 4, negative 1, 0 here. 0, 0, 3 here. And then for the right-hand side, you put 1, 1, 1, the rest of them at 0. This is the identity matrix. You put aside, on right-hand side of this one. Your goal is to change the left-hand side to this form, and whatever end up with, that will be the inverse. Okay? Yeah. Those are how many steps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steps. It takes time, and you may go rewind your tape. I probably go faster right here. Look. Right here I did is row 1 times 4 plus row 2 give to row 2. What's the meaning for that? It is nice that this one is already 0. Okay, I want to make this one be 0. So then what I need negative 4 to cancel positive 4. So then I do is 4 times row 1. You see, 4 times row 1. Row 1 was this one. After you use positive 4 to times row 1, you have a blue number. 4 times negative 1 times 4 is negative 4. 3 times positive 4, negative 1 times positive 4 is negative 4. 3 times positive 4 is 12. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 4 is 4. 0 times 4 is 0. 0 times 4 is 0. You have a blue number, add on the black number. What do we get? You get this. Negative 4, positive 4 is 0. 3 plus negative 1, 11. 4 plus 0, 4. And then 4 plus 0, 4. 0 plus 1, 1. 0 plus 0, 0. So that's the step. Okay, so we got, here we end up with that we find out new row 2. But we didn't do anything with row 3, we keep it. 0, 3, 3, 0, 0, 1, we keep it. Now, I did something also concurrently is row 1. Here is negative 1, I don't like it. I like here to be positive 1. Okay, because you want to end up here is positive 1. So then you multiply it by negative 1. Okay, so then you switch the sign of all row 1s. Then you have a 1, switch to positive, negative 1, positive 1. Positive, switch to negative. Negative 1 to negative. Negative 1 to negative 1. Those are zeros, so nothing to do with that. So from here to here, I actually did 2 operations. Okay, you want to check this operation first. Don't check this one first, okay? Then it's messy. You want to check this one on the top first. You got new row 2, and then row 3, you keep it. We didn't do anything. And then step 2 is you did this one on row 1. You got that. These 2 steps are easy steps. Is that you exchange row 2 and row 3. Okay? Yeah. Why you want to do that? You will see from the following. Here I just exchanged row 2, 0, 11, 4, 4, 1, 0. Row 2 comes to be row 3. 0, 11, 4, 4, 1, 0. And 0, 3, 3, 0, 1, 1. Row 3 comes to be row 2. Okay? And again, I didn't do anything with row 1, so I kept it. Alright. Now, we have a 1, 0, 0. We are happy 1, 0, 0. Then we want to do is use this number. Want to mark it. Previously, you use this one to make this place be 0. Okay? Then you want to use this one to make those two places be 0. Okay? Again, you do is that you see why I do that. Why did I do this? Because I saw this is 3. This 3 might be able to cancel that. So that's why I switch it. That's the reasoning. Okay? So right here, row 2 add on row 1 give to row 1. Basically, row 2 here, this one add onto that. Okay? 0 plus 1 is 0. Negative 3, positive 3 plus negative 3, you got 0. Positive 3 plus negative 1, you have 2. 0 plus negative 1, negative 1. 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. So, I made this place be 0. And then I want to make this place be 1, because here eventually we need 1. So, divided by this row 2 divided by 3. That's why I wrote here row 2 divided by 3. Okay, so we got new row 1 through this step, and we got new row 2 through this step. Again, check this step first, and then do that. Don't do this one first. Then you got messy, you got confused. Do this one first. You got new row 1, and then row 2 is only divided by 3. Okay, you see 0 divided by 3 is 0, 3 divided by 3 is 1, 3 divided by 3 is 1, 0 divided by 3 is 0, 0 divided by 3 is 0, 1 divided by 3 is 1/3. Okay, so the third row we didn't do anything, we keep it. Okay, now it's time to eliminate this positive 11. What do we need? We need negative 11 to cancel this positive 11. So that's why I wrote here, row 2 multiplied by negative 11. 0 multiplied by negative 11 is 0. 1 multiplied by negative 11 is negative 11. 1 multiplied by negative 11 is negative 11. 0 multiplied by negative 11 is blue 0. Black 0 multiplied by negative 11 is blue 0. And 1/3 multiplied by negative 11 is negative 1, negative 11 thirds. Okay? Now, we got blue number we want to add onto the black number. So, negative row 2 times negative 11 add on to row 3. Okay? So, we got new row 3. You see, 0 plus 0, blue number plus black number is 0 here. Okay? And then negative 11, positive 11 cancel each other. And then negative 11, positive 4 is negative 7. 0 plus 4, 4. 0 plus blue 0 plus 1, 1. Blue 11 thirds plus black 0 is negative 11 thirds. Okay? Again, right here we copy row 1. We didn't do anything with row 1. We copy row 2. Didn't do anything with row 2. Okay? Now, you see 0, 1, 0 now. Now we want to make is this place be 1, those two needs to be 0. So, what we want to do is to take care of this place. Make this place be 1 first. Is negative 7, you want this place be 1 divided by negative 7. Negative 7 divided by negative 7, that's positive 1. Okay, 0 divided by 7, and negative 7 is 0. 0 divided by negative 7 is 0. And then negative 7 divided by negative 7 is 1. Okay? And then here, 4 divided by negative 7 is negative 4 sevenths. 1 divided by negative 7 is negative 1 seventh. Negative 11 divided by negative 11 thirds divided by negative 7 is positive 11 over 21. Okay, first two rows, again, we didn't do anything, we keep it. Okay, 1, 0, 2, negative 1, 0, 1, you see. 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1 third, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1 third. Okay? Now we want to make those two places be zeros. Then we are done. Okay? This one is easy to make this one be 0. Is that what? We make the second row be negative. Add on that. Or you may say the second row minus the third row give to the second row. Okay? Yeah. So you see here is like this. Second row minus the third row give to second row. Or you may say the third row times negative 1 give to the add on to the second row give to the comes to be a new second row. Okay? So let's do subtraction this time. 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 minus negative 4 sevenths, that's positive 4 sevenths. 0 minus 1 seventh, that's positive 1 seventh. Because 0 minus negative. So negative, negative comes to be positive. 0 minus negative 4 sevenths. Now here is the little bit complicated. Okay, so 1/3 minus 11 over 21. We end up with this. Okay, negative 4 over 21. Here is the detail I put here. Okay, because 1/3 minus negative 11 over 21. 1/3 is actually 7 over 21. Okay, because 7 times 1 is 7, 7 times 3 is 21. 7 minus 11 is negative 4, so I put negative 4 here, over 21. Okay, over 21, right here. So, that's this part. We get this one. So this tells us what? We made this place be 0 by doing this step. Now we want to make this place be 0, we are done. So then will be row 3 multiplied by negative 2. That's 1 times negative 2 is negative 2. Negative 4 sevenths times negative 2 is positive 8 sevenths. Negative 1 seventh times negative 2 is positive 2 sevenths. And negative 2 times 11 over 21 is negative 22 over 21. Now we got blue number, we add onto the row 1. Okay, actually those two are zeros, because negative 2 times 0, 0, you can put 0 here. Blue number add onto the black number, we got new black numbers. Okay. Negative 2, positive 2 cancel each other, that's 0. 0, 0 add together is still 0, that's this one. 0, 1, 0, 1, that's right here. Okay, now 8 over 7 minus 1, that's actually negative 1 is negative 7 over 7. So 8 minus 7, what do you get? Yeah, 1/7. Okay, and then here 7 over 2 over 7 add on to 0, we get that. Okay, and then negative 22 over 21 plus 1. Yeah, that's negative 1 over 21. Okay, because 1 is 21 over 21. So negative 22 plus 21 is negative 1. Denominator we keep it. Okay. Copy the last row. Okay, 0, 0, 1. Copy the last row. First operation gives us this one. The second operation gives us the new row 1. First operation gives us the new row 2. So the inverse is this one. That's right here. Okay? So here we then have the inverse for A. Right here. So I will see you next time.